Hey Cole, what's in the box?
So we got the water watch today. It's a water detection system and it runs a glass bowl. Let's get out of the box and have a bit of a look. It's, just have to bear with me. So we've got the electrical harness, which is a complete setup, our relays and a checklist. We got a sticker. So on the sticker, it just tells you that it's actually equipped with a water watch system. Then we've got our checklist, what's in the box. Now, this is the cool part of the box. This has actually got instruction manual for the fitment. Then, it's actually harder to get out than it looks. So it's a bit of an old school look to it, which runs a glass bowl. So it gives you a visual indicator, so you can actually see the water in the diesel. This will be full of diesel in normal operation. If you get water, it's one of your visual daily looks at when you're out and about. It has got an alarm system, so the probe on the bottom is the water detection. With the relay system, gives you a light and alarm, so you got a visual and an audio. It just plumbs in before your standard filter system. The beauty of this is going to warn you a long time before your standard stuff actually gives you a warning. If your standard stuff is giving you a warning, you've already got water in your system, and it's pretty well too late by then. Doesn't mean you're going to get major damage, but you need to stop immediately. Whereas when this gives you an alarm, you can actually get to it, do your servicing, and actually clean it out before you get it into your main system. Because if you were running through the bog and you were neck deep in mud, and all of a sudden your water alarm came on in your standard, you really need to stop and action it there and then. At least this gives you that little bit of warning. You can pull up in the dry somewhere and actually deal with it. It's a very nice thing. We've been using them in our standard motorhome builds, and we've been fitting them to, we've probably fitted quite a few of these now. And I like the visual. It's not a filter. It will pick up 30 microns of debris, which could be rust, dirt, anything that's contamination, so you can actually have a look and see it. And if you see a hole up of rust or dirt or anything, then you know your system's contaminated in your tank and you can action it pretty quickly.
Cool, how do you get one of these?
Contact us at Travel Trucks. We fit them to all sorts of vehicles. We can just supply as well. Very good design product, and it's Australian made. So we endorse it. Thanks very much.